Intergaugeal subway station.
International.
Inner.
International space.
I know it's inner. What's up, Packers? What's up, Packers? It's GoldieBlox. Guys, I'm throwing a super epic slumber party to celebrate the release of my very own Maker Kits. Today's episode is all about my very own DIY Unicorn Headphones. And yes, my face is on the box, and I will recreate this for you. You're welcome. So these are perfect if you want to stand out, or if you just want to, listen to some music feeling magical. So have you heard of the Whisper Challenge?
Oh, is that where you whisper something in someone's ear and they pass it on?
Oh, like telephone?
Yeah.
It's like close to that, but it's basically like you're wearing headphones and you're like blasting music so you can't hear anything. And then they're gonna like say something to you and you have to guess what that person is saying. And so it's like,
that's cool.
Yeah, it's basically like reading lips. You guys wanna play?
Yes.
Yay! You can't hear anything I'm saying. Aerospace engineering. Aero is spicy. Aerospace engineering.
Aerospace is daring?
Close. Okay. Aerospace engineering. Engineering.
Anginova?
What is Genova? What was it? Aerospace engineering.
Oh my god.
You were pretty close.
What? Scientific.
Okay.
Method.
Hey, you got it!
That's it?
Yeah, that's it!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yay!
And I was like whispering too, wow. It's super long, so she won't be able to dance. I'm speaking. She won't be able to know what it is, okay. Intergaugeal. It's not a word. Intergaugeal subway station. Inner. I know it's inner. International space station. Subway station. Space station. Yes. International Space Station. Yeah. I'll teach you how to make it. If you guys want your very own pair of Unicorn headphones, make sure you go to Amazon or GoldieBlox.com.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
And smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of our slumber party.
And comment down below what you guys are going to listen to with your Unicorn headphones.
That is it for today's video. Goldie Squad
Signing off.
Bye!